What's going on, everyone? Sal here, back again with another video. And ladies and gentlemen, Roku has me biting the dust again. The first losing trade in this system. As you guys know, I'm building up the simple trading method video course, and this is the first losing trade in the course. This is the very first losing trade in the course, and it so happens to be the trade that has lost me, the ticker that has lost me the most money in my trading career. And today, you know, digging in my pockets again, Roku. And I'm actually not mad. I thought I'd be mad, but I'm not mad at what has happened with Roku because it wasn't an inability to find support. It wasn't, you know, the inability for me to look through the financials. It was a company that came out, short bias investment research firm, and they gave a $60 price target on Roku, nearly 100% below where it was trading at. You know, we're 50% below where it was trading at. And, you know, the market ate it up because it was just so unusual. And it was filled with details that scared traders. And look, 56 days left into that trade, 55 days, whatever it is. It could very well still win, right? Because it's wide enough to definitely be able to do that. But I just don't want to stick around anymore for it. I don't want to stick around for it anymore. But Roku very well could fill the gap on the downside, right? It could very well fill, you know, the gap all the way down to 99. Or it could, you know, bounce back to 120, 125. But at this point, because I was looking for only 50% of max value, and my losses had gone above 100% of max value, it was just really no reason for me to continue on in the trade. Because once your losses get to that point, after that point, you're basically just hoping. So $1,260 was our loss, because that's always my stop, which is 100%, or actually, you know, max value. At max value, I'm out the trade. I don't want to stick around for that. But we've had tickers in the program before that have scared us and gone very directional after placing a trade. For those of you guys who follow my personal account, you know, this is where I had been placing the trades before moving into, you know, back to the Twitter account I usually post to. But if you remember the Cisco trade from that Twitter account, max profit of 660, right? On this Cisco, this was posted July 9th. All right, this was posted July 9th. And if you remember on Cisco, all right, if you remember on Cisco, July 9th is like somewhere around here. There we go, July 9th. And then it went directional just like a week and a half later. Now, eventually, you know, we were able to get out the trade still within the wings. But, you know, that this is what happens. You know, this is sometimes what happens when, you know, these stocks get directional. You can still hold on and win to a certain extent, but sometimes it doesn't go your way. You know, what other trade went directional for us? Walmart was a trade that didn't work out the way we wanted to. It still won, but it didn't work out the way we wanted to. If you remember this Walmart trade, this is another trade we went to around, I believe it was the same day. Yep, Walmart. All right, we took in $720 worth of credit. The idea was Walmart was to play it into earnings, not actually hold through earnings. But if you looked at Walmart, right, July 9th, it got directional on us. And what did we have to do? Actually hold it into earnings. And the big mistake that I made with this Walmart trade, can you tell what it was? I set the trade too high at an RSI. 76 RSI on Walmart going into this trade. That was a fatal flaw. That was a very fatal flaw. I should not have done that. Stock continued on, then eventually gave out, as stocks that are trading at higher ISI levels do. And we had to hold this through earnings. And, Walmart crushed earnings, and it was able to save this trade. All right, it was able to save this trade. But for a couple days there, you actually were right below earnings in Walmart. So luckily we got saved, by earnings. All right. Don't follow this Twitter account. I'm no longer posting from there in terms of my trades. Continue to follow the Got Penny Stocks Twitter account. That's where all the trades are going to be at from now on, as I'm making videos about them now instead of just posting Twitter trades. I'm a little down, as you can tell, a little bit, but I'm not upset. I'm a little down, but I'm not upset, because I know now that non-directional trades work. And shout out to the trader who, taught me about spreading the wings out a little bit, creating that $5, that $10 wide wing, which is going to lower the cost of the trade, but still improve my return. That was something that I didn't learn at the beginning. If you can see here, very little, difference in terms of my wings, right? They were very close, a lot of freaking options. So I have learned, though. I definitely have learned since then to spread the wings out a little bit more. So shout out to traders who taught me that. But I'm continuing to build the program. And when I'm ready, we're definitely going to go live with the program and spread. And I'm going to continue to spread the gospel of non-directional trading, because it works. This is my first trade in 91 days to go wrong. That's I don't care what anybody says. That's, in 10 trades, first trade to go wrong. I'm cool with that. I'm absolutely cool with that. So it is what it is, man. It's your boy Sal. I'm a little down, but your boy's going to pick himself up, and we're going to, pick another trade. Beyond Meat is going incredibly well. And our Beyond Meat trade is going incredibly well. We're going to make a killing on that, as long as that continues to stay the way it's staying right now. So with that being said, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. The Simple Trading Method trading course coming soon. With that being said, I appreciate you for watching. Take care. Until next time, I'm out. Trade well.